Hi, this is Adrian. Welcome to another quick update. We will see some progress on the construction overpass, but mostly what I want to show you is that Brian from FutureAZA was here visiting the site and he made a video. Well, I was with him, so I would recommend that you go to his channel and take a look into it. We see that construction of the overpass is still going on, slowly but surely going forward. If you like these videos, please consider to become a member in YouTube. Your support is greatly appreciated. Not much going on at the hippodrome either, but we get a quite nice look into the wind turbines. I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Please consider to become one. And last, I want to congratulate Joe Tuckmeyer for his 4th anniversary covering the construction of the Giga Texas site. Here's for another 4 years and many, many more.